In today's video, I'll show you on how you can simply uninstall Streamlabs plugin. First things first, you want to close out all of the application including OBS, Streamlabs, and from there we want to navigate through our PC folder. In here, click on the C folder, click Program Files x68, and then you want to look for a folder named Streamlabs plugin updater. Click on it and click on the uninstall exe button. Click on uninstall and then it will uninstall the Streamlabs plugin updater. From there, we want to navigate back to the PC folder, click on program files, and then you want to look for OBS. In here, click OBS plugin 64-bit, scroll down, and you want to look for a file name SL, starting with SL down to the Streamlabs folder or icon. In here, you want to highlight everything starting from SL to the Streamlabs app icon, delete it, click on continue, and from there you will be able to simply delete the Streamlabs plugin. Unfortunately, since I'm recording with my OBS, I won't be able to delete it right now, but after clicking on delete, you will be able to completely wipe out Streamlabs plugin from your OBS. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.